So last evening I purchased two essential accessories for my iPhone. The first one is the Hyphen's Defend R tempered glass, and the other one is the Spigen's protective case. So let's have a look at the tempered glass first. Hyphen Defend R. It has got 3 years limited warranty. It has got 9H of hardness, and then antibacterial glass, all right. It's for the new iPhone 6.1 inches 2021, all right. What else? Anything else? No, I think that's it about this glass. So let's just keep it aside and pick this one up. So this one's Spigen's. This is how it should look like. So I got it around 2200 from the Chroma store. So let's keep this aside. Let's start with the tempered glass first. So Hyphen Defender. How do we open the box? Oh, alright, so here slowly pull it out. Here we are. Hyphen installation kit. Let's check how. I think this is how it opens. Yes, exactly, this is how it opens. So this one is the installation kit. It has got some steps. Wet wipes. I hope you can see, it has got wet wipes, microfiber cloth, and dust remover. Let's keep it aside for a moment. This one contains a tempered glass. So as mentioned, it has got 9H of thickness. Let's keep it aside for a moment. And then this one is the Spigen's armor case. Well, at first I thought I should go with a clear case with a MagSafe charger, but then I thought no, since the iPhone is pretty much vulnerable to lots of droppings from over the table or from the pocket, I thought it's better to get the armor case. This one, okay, has got a nice thing. You see the arrow? Just pull it out and it opens. And this is the Spigen's armor case. Here we go. So this is it about the armor case. Well, it feels nice to touch. Alright, so here is our phone. And to take it out of the box, and carefully tear open the installation kit. Keep it aside. Hyphen's dust remover. What is this? This is the Hyphen's wet wipe layer. So it says open. Yeah. It says open here. Carefully, so as not to rip apart the wet clothes as well, wet pipes as well, sorry. Here is the wet pipe. Gently rub this wet wipes all along the screen so as to not leave any spot unattended. And after you do that, keep aside the wet wipe. Use this microfiber cloth to remove any wetness. Make sure that there's no moisture left on the screen. Use this to remove Here comes our glass. This should go like this. You have to be careful while installing the screen guard. for the armor case. Similarly at the back. Here.